What is the best way to make money online?
There are many ways to make money online. It all depends on what you're interested in and what you're good at. Some popular ways to make money online include blogging, freelance writing, creating and selling ebooks, and starting an online business.
So I should focus on trying to make money from things I am interested in or good at?
Definitely. Making money from things you're interested in is the surest way to success. When you're passionate about something, you'll be more likely to put in the effort and produce great work.
I am experienced in computer programming. Can you give me an example on how I can turn that into money online?
I'm not sure if you're experienced enough to turn computer programming into a profitable venture, but there are many ways to make money from programming. You could freelance on projects, develop software for other businesses, or teach programming classes.
I like the idea of teaching people programming. Should I make a YouTube channel about it, or would something else be more profitable?
YouTube can be a great way to share your knowledge with the world, but it's not always the most profitable option. For example, developing software for other businesses can be more lucrative than creating YouTube videos.
So trying to develop software for businesses would be more profitable in the long run?
Absolutely. Businesses are always looking for the best programmers to help them solve their problems. If you have the skills and the passion, there's no limit to what you can achieve.
Say I developed a one-of-a-kind program I know a company needs. How should I approach them about it?
The best way to approach a company about your program is to work out a way to show them what it can do. And if they are interested, you might be able to negotiate a contract with them.